kayo gani? Milk base gani?
Biscoff ni Biscoff.
It's so sweet.
So I got sea salt Biscoff, guys. Milk base. So I will rate
Sila?
this,
How much?
I guess,
Ano yung 50 ko?
8.5 out of 10.
It's a high rating.
How about you?
Mine is a 7. I like it.
Mine is a 5. I think
It's too
for
sweet.
me 3. Sorry. I don't like it. Like,
May gaslight. Kung naman madala sa gaslight, mind over matter.
How much? Hindi ka ba ka doon? Ari ako namot, 50. Kung kulang, balan mo lang ko.
wala na akong kwarta, guys.
Kamo
Kamu na lang
man
dawa.
diet, kamo nang bal mo.
Oo, ga-diet ko.
You're on the diet.
Are you in the banyo? Okay, good morning. Good morning. Okay, this is your baby diaper.
Liwat?
Machaka. Shortcut ko, no? Shortcut. Ihag na si Fiona.
Para mag-cry naman
Para mag-cry pag siya.
Hugta-hugtanan.
Di bisa.
Naging kupaan niyo ko. Mayon na hindi ko bug-subong. Yawan. Sa tawag naman mayon na hindi siya bug. Yawan, hindi tani.
Hi guys.
The thing people forget is how good it can feel when you finally set secrets free. Whether good or bad, at least they're out in the open. Like it or not.
Hi everyone! So I'm so sorry if yung mukha ko ngayon is parang ewan kasi meron akong mga pimple. But anyway, I just want to update you guys na today is July 24 and my flight is tomorrow going back to Cavite. Yeah, to be honest, I'm so sad right now. And grabe yung senti-senti ko dito sa room ko na to. And sobrang dami kong pinak na clothes. And also mga gamit kasi para tipid na rin. And also ayoko na rin kasi bumili ng mga gamit talaga doon sa Cavite, sa apartment ko. Since ayokong gumastos ng sobra. So ito yan. Sobrang gulo. Hindi ko pa naayos. And also pero yung dadalhin kong luggage is isa lang and also isang bag, which is try ko na siyang ikilo and then around 7 lang naman. My bag and my luggage, that's it. Anyway, I'm actually watching Grey's Anatomy and season 2 na ako. Actually, na-startan ko na siya before pero kasi medyo nakalimutan ko na and wala akong time before, but now that I have more time to watch Grey's Anatomy, then I'll watch. Then, kakatapos ko lang ng season 1 kanina and nag-start na ako ng season 2. Mga so, sinunod kami dito. ni Tito, guys. Hi everyone! So I'm here at my tito's apartment. So today is July 30 and time check, it's already 9:20. And yeah, so actually ilang days rin akong hindi nakapag-vlog. Pero ang dami kasing nangyari and I'm too busy processing everything and all. So actually, dito muna ako for a while sa apartment ng tito ko because hindi pa nasisettle talaga ng maayos dun sa kabila. Which is, dun talaga ako titira, guys. So, yeah, dito muna ako. But anyway, so ako lang dito mag-isa because may work yung tito ko sa office at this time. So, night shift siya. So, yep, I'm all alone here and actually, wala, puro kain ang ginawa ko dito kaya parang tumaba ako. Wait, lagay ko kaya dito. So, I ordered McDo. Yep. I ordered McDo for my dinner. So, one of my favorite foods sa McDo is chicken sandwich with fries. And also, kapag rice, pepper steak. Yeah. Well, I'm a fan of fried chicken, but lately, or nung nag-college ako, parang mas bet ko yung mag-pepper steak because sarap ng sauce niya. Hello! Wait. Here's the dog. Look at him. He's so big, to be honest. Like, imagine, 17 kilos siya. After this, magsi-CR muna ako. So, yeah, nag-video lang talaga ako for tonight kasi just to update you guys. Kasi I feel like this type of vlog is so boring sa inyo. So, I'm so sorry for that kasi wala talaga akong ganap this week. And, yeah. Anyway, that's all guys. Bye.